wanna show you how to eat Japanese style avocado. So how do you eat and cook avocado? Maybe with salad, sandwiches, or sushi roll, or poke bowl. So there are many ways to eat avocado. But have you known avocado goes great with wasabi soya sauce. Wasabi soya sauce and avocado is a very good combination. So I hope you also love it. So okay, let's get started. So first, this recipe is avocado and mozzarella with Japanese style wasabi soya sauce. So second, this is the ingredients for deep frying avocado. So okay, first cut the avocado in half. So take the skin and cut into bit-sized pieces. So and then tear apart the mozzarella cheese in your hand. And then I add the wasabi into the soy sauce. And then I will try the taste. Okay, done. And then, so put the sauce on it. ここにかけます。I want to reduce dishes to wash as much as I can, so I won't use bowl. じゃん、I made it. Simple and super easy. And then also, if you have a bonito flake at your home, I wanna recommend put on the top. The flavor of bonito flakes makes it even more Japanese style. Or if you have a sesame, it's also good. できました。Okay, let's make deep fry avocado. So, first, cut the avocado in a half. Ooh, beautiful. And then take a seed. And then remove the skin. After removing the skin, cut it into bit-sized pieces. Then sprinkle with black pepper and salt. And then next, add avocado and the potato starch to the Ziploc and mix well. And then add the 2 tablespoons of the katakuriko, potato starch. Okay, potato starch coated the avocado nicely. And then let's deep fry avocado in oil. And then put the oil into a fry pan. So turn the medium heat. So wait until the oil reaches 170 degrees. So when you see small bubbles coming out of the tip of your chopsticks, it's mean 170 degrees already. So okay, let's deep fry the avocados. So please deep fry until golden brown. Looks good. So okay, time to plate. じゃーん、フライアボカド完成です。できました。すごいね、いい香りがする。なんか甘いアボカドの香りみたいな感じ。さあ、食べよう。はい。I made 2 dishes today. アボカドとモッツァレラのわさび醤油和えと揚げたアボカド、ディープフライアボカド。そう、いただきます。美味しいね。Because avocado and the mozzarella is a very softy texture, so very good combination. And then wasabi is a really good accent. This is a Japanese style avocado cooking. I think this is good for wine as well. これワインにも合うと思う。White wine. White wine is a white wine and this avocado and the mozzarella dish is a good combination, I think. Okay, next. I will eat the deep fried avocado. This is just normal, only deep fried avocado. Outside is very crispy, but inside the avocado is a very softy and very rich taste. And then I think this avocado is a more sweet-ish. ちょっと甘みが増した than before. 普通のアボカドより甘い。So, and I prepared a sweet chili sauce and then wasabi soya sauce. 美味しい、もう美味しい。I can't come up with anything. Wasabi soya sauce and the deep fried avocado combination is a 超美味しい。Really good. And I will eat with chili sauce. 美味しい。これはね、can't stop drinking the beer. Wasabi soya sauce is not only for the sushi. Deep fried avocado with soya sauce is a 超 really good combination. So, okay. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, guys. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up or please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then also, please give them a try. Easy but tasty. So good. So, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel and see you by next video. Bye!